Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 3 topics as I said in my introduction video. Motivation about time, information about the Wonder Girl of India, and vocabulary. Please do watch till last to know the words. Okay, let's begin. Friends, as we all know, we are very good in utilizing each and every MB of 2 GB data. But how many of us are really good in spending each and every minute of the day? We all know that time is one of the powerful things in the universe, and once it's spent, it can't be acquired back. We even say that timing is everything, time is money, time doesn't wait for anyone, but still, we waste a lots of time doing nothing. Friends, there are totally 86,400 seconds in every single day. I just want to say one amazing thing about time. That time is such a magnanimous thing in the universe. I mean, it's so kind and generous. Even after wasting so much of time and disrespecting it, it still gives you the new 86,400 seconds the very next day. This is the beauty of time. I'll not speak about the seconds because seconds are too fast, they can easily slip away in the beginning. So I'm going to speak about the minutes. There are 1440 minutes. Friends, as soon as we wake up till we go to bed, we spend time for various purposes. With family, friends, studying, work, and especially social media, right? And everything is absolutely cool and they are necessary. But my question to you is, do you give time for yourself? Just yourself. If not, then you have to make time for yourself from today. Friends, as I said, there are 1440 minutes. I'm not concerned about your 1400 minutes. All I'm concerned is about your 40 minutes. And I call them as the golden minutes of the day. Use these golden minutes on yourself, just yourself, to improve yourself, your communication skills, your technical skills, on your passions, like it might be singing, dancing, cooking, sports, games, etc. Whatever it might be, which you love to do, but you haven't started doing. Spend this time wisely to enhance your skills. I know we are too generous, we really are good in spending time, but in these 40 minutes, please let's be stingy. Use each and every second only on yourself, okay? You might be asking, like, why exactly is he saying 40 minutes? In the beginning, when you aim for 2 or 3 hours, it's a really hard task to focus. And when you do that, you really get demotivated and lose interest on that. So let's take baby steps. So when you just focus for 40 minutes, when you finish that, you get that confidence and energy so that you can aim for next level. Got it? Trust me guys, you might feel it as nothing in the beginning, but in the long run, it really gives you the tremendous results. I just want to say one more important thing. When we start managing time, we can easily manage life. Do you think all the great people became successful without knowing the value of time? No, they knew each and every second of the day and they spent it very wisely, so they become successful, and now we are following them. When we were kids, we had a lot of time and energy but no money. When we are adults, we have money and energy but no time. When we will be old, we have money and time but no energy. As youths, we have a lots of energy and time, so why shouldn't we leverage these 2 things and become successful? Okay, and now it's your time. Yes, the second one, we all know about the Wonder Woman. Even most of us have watched the movie, which is a fictional character from comics. But today I'm going to talk about the Wonder Girl of India and why did she get this title. Janvi Pawar from Haryana is called the Wonder Girl of India. She got this title because at the age 11, she mastered 9 different accents like American, British, Scottish, Canadian, Australian, Posh, etc. And even she speaks basic French and Japanese. At age 12, she gave a motivational speech to 150 IAS officers and Chief Minister, and she is awarded by the Chief Minister and the Governor of Haryana. At age 13, when most of her counterparts are studying in the 8th grade, she completed her 12th. Now at age 15, she is pursuing her final year from Bachelor's of Arts from the Delhi University. And even she gave a speech in TEDx Talks and Joe's Talks. And she has almost 80 to 90 trophies for her speeches. And her ultimate goal is to become the anchor in BBC News. And this is about the Wonder Girl of India. Yes, the next part. The first word is loofah. Everyone uses this, but we say it wrongly. A loofah is nothing but the hard sponge which we use to rub our body to exfoliate the skin while bathing. That's called loofah. And people say like hard sponge, bathing sponge. I think that doesn't sound so good, but from today you can say it as loofah. Yes, the second one. We all heard about the citizen, right? Have you heard about netizen? Netizen is a combination of internet and citizen. We all are users of internet, so we are called as netizen. Please use this word from today. Yes friends, this is all about my video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. See you soon. Take care.